sa mga reaction video yung mga ganito. Di ba? Yung sa mga stinky saso. Hala, uwi mo.
What's up everybody? It's Marnet. So today we are joined by another YouTuber for another collab video. So I want you guys to meet Rayel Reyes TV! So before we start this video, make sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And also subscribe to Rayel's YouTube channel. I will be linking it in the description box down below. So for today's challenge, we are going to do the Team Boozled Challenge! Yeah. Na-try mo na ba? Nagawa mo na ba?
Oo,
talaga. Hindi ko pa kasi nagagawa. Tapos nakita ko yung mga videos. Parang masaya siya.
Punta rin kayo sa channel ko. Ginawa namin yung
Spicy Noodle Challenge. So, sobrang anghang guys.
As in.
Yeah, so if you guys don't know how it works, meron siyang mga jelly beans. One color, two flavors. One is a good flavor, and the other one is a terrible flavor. So without further ado, let's get started! I only bought the small one kasi dalawa lang naman kami. Kahit anong flavor lang kasi meron ata nitong spinner. Pero since this is like the small one, oh, okay, akala ko meron. Okay, so, anong gusto mo?
Baho!
Talaga?
Hindi, wala na ako eh.
Wala naman. Okay lang naman. So, unahin natin yung spoiled milk and coconut.
Sige.
Wait, ayan.
Ito pong white yan. Kung nagtataka po kayo kung anong klaseng white po yan.
Nag-coconut, not in the giant.
Hindi, meron yun eh.
It too
Wait lang,
much.
anong kanta yun? Let go ako.
I'm in love with the coco. Coco naman yun. Coconut naman to. Okay. So this is either coconut or spoiled milk. So, ready? Cheers.
Ang pangit po ng lasa. Pero okay lang, sakto lang. May pangit po ng
coconut.
Ano ba yung panis na ano?
Yeah.
Hello! Hindi yung lasa na.
Are you shooting?
Yes. Para sa channel
Very
na.
beautiful network manager of ours.
Tagsikat na po yan. So,
Next flavor, kunin na lang natin yung from the top. This is either rotten egg or buttered popcorn. Naamoy ko yung kamay mo eh. Oh, dali. G. Ano to?
Nasa tinga ko pa yung mga... Yung unang feeling mo, medyo matamis pa as in. Ano sa'yo?
Masarap na sa una.
Naiyawa.
Hawakan ko yung laway sa plastic.
Ako din, tignan nyo kung makikita nyo.
Yan, nasa ngipin ko nga naman.
Ako din eh.
This one, is this the same thing? No, this one is either dead fish or strawberry banana smoothie. Oh my good lord. Oh my god. Dead fish! Okay. Wala namang amoy.
Amoy, oo.
Oh my god! Good luck!
Saya.
Wala.
Hindi ka naman. I-bench mo siya na content.
Oh my god! Kailangan ko pala i-bench. Oh no! Okay.
Sa hindi na po nakita dahil ka.
No. Okay, one.
Wait lang. Ikaw, ano yung namoy mo? Dito, baba ko.
Mabaho. Okay.
1, 2, 3, go.
Wait. Yung laway ko.
Naiiyak na po ako.
Sorry guys if you saw that. Oh my good lord.
Pero nasa ano ko pa din. Hingin ako ng kulay blue.
Oh my god, yung laway.
Kasi tiga ko parang naluluha na ako. As in.
Kadiri as in sobra.
Nakalagay po dito, new. Di ba new? New.
Yeah, it's a new flavor.
flavor.
This is like the 4th edition. Tapos na ba yung... Oh yuck, makawakan ko yung laway.
Yuck!
Ew, freak. Lawn clippings or lime.
Sige.
1, 2, 3, go!
Lawn clippings.
Wait lang. Pero it's not like...
Parang raw.
It's not as terrible as the dead freaking fish.
As in, yun talaga. Wala pa kami yung nakakain ng masarap. As
True.
Bigyan natin yung mga ano dyan. Yung walang
Wala pa lang.
masarap.
Let's do canned dog food and chocolate food. Wala parang vitamins.
Sa akin.
Hindi ko maamoy. Okay, 1, 2, 3, go. Feeling ko dog food.
Dog food siya. Iba yung matamis sa'yo? Sa akin hindi, parang may talaga siyang strong na flavor.
Ganito ba lasa?
Or nagiging overreact lang ako, parang iniisip ko lang na
Ganito ba lasa ng chocolate pudding? I'm not sure. The flavor, medyo nutty siya. So,
wala siya sa dalawa.
so I'm guessing it's chocolate pudding. It's not that good though.
So wala na kami mga points dito kahit masarap din nakuha. Kasi po,
feeling ko yung nakain natin, ano yun? It's either booger or geocaesar. Feeling ko mint pa lang to.
Kasi iba yung kulay eh. Tapos parang sa akin green. Para ito yung lime.
Booger pala yun!
Hindi bakit hindi maalat yung booger eh. Baka
Maalat
na.
ka.
Damn, it feels good to be a gangster.
Maalat kaya? Nalasahan na yung booger, no? 1, 2, 3, go.
Parang lime yung akin. Kasi maasim eh.
Lime yan!
Ano
Lawn
ba?
clippings! So, mali talaga yung nakain namin kanina. So, yung kanina yung ano yun, booger or juicy pear. Kasi amoy na amoy yung lime.
Lime tayo?
Hindi, lawn clippings. Pero kinain nung nag-enjoy.
Itong next round, bawal na yung dura. Ano?
Ako kaya ko. Ikaw yung unang dumudura eh.
Sige, wag na wag.
Nakain na ba natin to? Feeling ko yun. You wanna try it? Wow, we are having a hard time.
Struggle is real.
What is this? Is this the dead fish? Or the barf? Barf. Hindi ba? Here na lang. This is either stinky socks or tutti frutti. Go.
Tutti frutti! Naumay ko na kaya pagka-picture. Ano na? Wala.
It's stinky socks.
Pati may sa mga reaction video yung mga ganito. Diba? Yung mga stinky socks. Wala, wait mo.
Hindi ako OA kasi boom, boom, boom. No, actually it's terrible pero
Kaya naman, diba?
Yeah.
Yung dead fish lang talaga.
yung dead fish yung ayaw ko. I swear ko.
Okay, ito yung kinain natin noong una, diba?
Okay, tapos na tayo sa stinky socks. Tapos na tayo sa booger. Tapos na tayo sa rotten egg. Let's i-shake lang muna. Para walang daya. Okay. Hindi mo ginalawin!
Ay,
Pablo! Ito yung barf or peach. What the frick? To be honest, para siyang yung flavored fries ng Jollibee. Yung cheesy flavored fries
Oo.
ng Jollibee na nasira.
Pero yung-
This is either, whatever. 1, 2, 3, go. Oh, finally.
Ano sa'yo?
Strawberry banana smoothie.
Wait.
Finally, a good
Gusto niya po giveaway.
Yup!
po.
Ano na
So, for the last, ito pong kulay blue. Dahil po, isa lang po. Anong
Yan.
brand yan? Nananawagan po kami. Bakit po isa lang po ang ano?
Eh di wala namang thrill to kasi parehas naman tayong flavor. Cheers!
Sarap.
Yummy! Ba't isa lang?
Andiyan ba nakatayo na ako dito para lang maano yung hype ni Ate Marne? Bali.
So yeah, that's the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching. Kung gusto nyo i-try itong challenge na to, mabibili to sa supermarkets nationwide. This only costs $1.38. So yeah, if you want to try it out, try it with your friends, with your family, whoever you want to try it with. Ayan, so that's the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching. If you did, please make sure to give it a thumbs up. Alright, we also made a video on Reynolds' channel, so make sure to check that out. We did the Spicy Noodles Challenge. So yeah, don't forget to subscribe to his channel. Again, I'll be linking it in the description box down below. And also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. So I will see you guys next time. I will see you on Tuesday with another video. Always remember to dream big and soar higher than the sky. Once again, this is Martin Villamore, and this is
Reynal Reyes
TV signing off. Shh.